Here's a video of the range test with the small robots in the open field. I am in this beautiful place by bike. The setup is very mobile. I can pack it in a bag, suitcase or backpack. I'm using a hearing controller for this test. The camera I use in this case is the daylight camera. The setup is fully optimized but not tuned. This video is the last of a total of 7 test attempts. The aim was to achieve the greatest possible range with the smallest possible antenna. In this test, the country settings of the controller and also possible transmission power are at the 100 milliwatts and 20 dB allowed by everyone. The test scenario and setup. The robot remains at the starting point. The controller moves away from the robot. The range results from the distance I have to the first interruption of the radio connection. To speed up the normal test run a little, I cover the distance on the bike. In the diagram of the bottom left of the video you can see how far I move during the test. The width of the diagram is approximately 1 kilometer in reality. A bit about the reasons and history of the test in the open field. From experience, increasing the transmission power many times over is the simplest but also the worst way to go with such systems. I have been testing the systems for some time. In the meantime, I have booked various antennas for the small robots and have now switched to building antennas. I need a small, flexible, but at the same time dust and waterproof antenna for Wi-Fi. That doesn't even sound exciting, but it couldn't find it on the market. As a result, I now have a Wi-Fi antenna in the test that meets these requirements. The antenna is also expandable and will probably undergo a few adjustments in the future. Now I have the first loose of connection to the robot. The robot can be controlled again after aligning the transmitter with the robot, but that is not the aim of the test. On the map I can see that it was actually the 800 meters distance. The 800 meter is a reference value that I achieved on the route with another robot. For all those who are wondering what maximum is, I would also like to test this. So far I've only managed 1 kilometer. I will show the ideas for increasing the range in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this far. I wish you a pleasant time. See you soon. Bye bye.